Guys, this is Booking Bronco with another Booksy Biz tutorial, and today we are going to be looking at how to remove the contact options button. So if you didn't see already my previous video where I showed how to add the Book Now button, so when I'm talking about the Book Now button, I'm talking about this one right here on your main Instagram profile page, so that when people come to your profile, they can just click that and book directly with you. If you haven't seen the video, just go ahead and look at that one. That will, once you see it, it'll make more sense. But I'm making this video as a follow-up because what you need to take into account is if you have your contact options turned on and enabled and have some sort of email or phone or anything like that in there, it's actually going to cover up the Book Now button. The reason that you see me with contact info displayed and the Book Now button displayed is because this is actually being shown on my iPad and it doesn't function exactly the same way. So what I'm going to do is pull up the full web page here. I just took a screenshot of what this would normally look like if you have your contact options turned on, like I said. So what's going to happen is someone would have to click on the little arrow here, and that would open up a drop-down menu where they can go click on Book Now. But obviously, guys, that is not ideal. We don't really want people having to click because they're generally just not going to do that. So how do we get it from this point to this point where it just has the Book Now button front and center? So it's actually a pretty easy process, guys. I'm going to bring us back to the iPad showing here. This will actually what I'll do to show you the step-by-step. Just pay attention to this contact info button you see up here at the top. So all I'm going to do is go to the edit profile button, and then you just have to scroll down. There's actually two ways you can do it. You can literally go into your contact options and delete whatever's in there. That's kind of the barbarian way, or the easier way, I would say, you can just go into profile display, which is a little bit further down, and then you can just turn on or off the contact info. So once we updated that to turn it off, you can see now that that contact info has been removed, and that is what's going to bring you to have just the Book Now button. So I know this is something small, guys, as opposed to having the contact and having to click down. We're just going to remove that so that it's just going to have only the Book Now button showing. Like I said, I know it's something small, but it does make a difference, and I see people who maybe they do the Book Now button expecting people to see it, but unless you troubleshoot it and make sure that it's going to be the first button visible, there's a good chance a lot of people are not going to see that, and a lot of people are not going to click on the arrow. So just keep that in mind. A little tip for today. That's going to be everything for today, guys. If you got anything out of the video, please like and subscribe. That does help me. If you're thinking about subscribing to Booksy Biz, you can use my subscription, my referral link in the description below to get 50% off your first 2 months. Besides that, always appreciate your time, and I'll see you on the next one.